Hi boys and girls, so we're back with our solar system and I've got my little assistant here. She just wants to hang around because she wants to eat Mercury and Mars because she loves olives. Now, I've made a couple of changes. Hopefully you can see the little changes there. Have a bit of a look. I'm going to actually talk about this change first, but there's something going on there as well that I hope that you have noticed. It looks just like a mess on the bench, but it's a deliberate mess. I had a bit of fun making this. My daughter actually loves making icy things, so I got a little bit inspired by her. What we have there is, any ideas? It's made of ice and it's got a lot of dirt in it. That is my attempt at making a comet. Comets are going around our solar system all the time as well, and they are made from ice and dirt and rocks. So I got a little bit of dirt and rocks from the garden and I froze them with some cold water in the freezer. That's enough sit there. And the amazing thing about comets is they travel around our solar system, but they don't orbit like planets. They have a massively elliptical orbit, like a big oval shape, and they go all the way out over here. So there's Neptune, all the way out further past, out in the Kuiper belt, and then they come through, get quite close to the sun, then they go around again, and it's kind of appropriate that there, hopefully you saw the dribbles, as they get close to the sun, that's where they lose quite a bit of their volume, because as they get close, they obviously melt, and solar winds through space will actually push off. And how I should have done it actually is, these sticks here are supposed to be the comet's tail. As they go around the sun, that will actually go like that, because the solar winds will be consistently pushing out from the sun, and that's the tail of the comet there, those sticks pushing away from the sun. Okay, so that is a comet, another part of our solar system that is orbiting the sun, but in a very different way. All right, there's the comet. Now the other thing I was hoping you noticed is, remember this is Jupiter, and remember this is Mars. In between Jupiter and Mars are billions and billions and billions of little tiny rocks. They make up the asteroid belt, okay? And that's what this is. I got some cracked pepper and I cracked some pepper all over the bench to demonstrate the asteroid belt. And whenever a spacecraft goes through, it's always a bit of a tricky bit. And when we do send people out maybe to Jupiter, that's going to be the hard bit, getting through that asteroid belt. Okay, boys and girls, so lots and lots of rocks, lots of different sizes. They can be as small as these little bits of cracked pepper, all the way up to houses and even bigger. Okay, so asteroids are also part of our solar system, and comets. Okay, all right, thanks boys and girls.